Dear baby girl, a good mentor can make your journey toward success much easier on the road to becoming a smart single woman. Not only can a mentor help identify landmines that could derail you, they can also use their resources and contacts to accelerate your progress. The right mentor can enhance your credibility as well. Your mentor's reputation may be the key to your next promotion or the key to persuading investors to finance your business idea. Therefore, think about possible mentors who can inspire you, challenge you, and teach you valuable lessons that you could never learn in a classroom. If you don't have a relationship with a high achiever who may become your mentor, start going places and joining organizations that will help you network with potential mentors. As you offer your gifts and talents to support the mission of business and community organizations, you will become acquainted with leaders who may be eager to help you manifest your dreams. So get involved in your community and build strong, purpose-driven relationships with leaders who can invest in your dreams and teach you the skills needed to climb the ladder of success. In closing, always remember, if you need my help when life seems unfair, you can always come home, and your dad will be waiting at the top of the stairs. Signed with all my love, your dad.